Thanks for clicking that thumbnail. I am gonna share with you today a ride that I'm just about to finish on my, not a dream build, but I'm stoked on it, new to me gravel bike. Oh, there's dogs there. There's Rottweilers.
Man, these gas prices is higher than me, man. Look at this inflation, man. I got this little ditty for you. I really need some money. Hey, I need money. Can I get some money? I really need some money. Not trying to be funny. Hey, it ain't funny. I say it ain't funny. I really need money. I don't know what to do. I still owe you. And you, yeah. I really need some money. Hey, I need money.
You know what? I'm making pretty good time, so I'm gonna go ahead and take a break here and talk about the bike. It is a 2021 Specialized Crux. It's sort of a Frankenstein build, but I'm really stoked on it because just on that first ride of 17 miles and almost more than halfway done here with this 33-mile ride, and the bike is dialed. Now, I am coming off of a Walmart bike. The bar wasn't necessarily that high, but I think it compares to some of the other high-end builds that are out there. And so, yeah, let me go over the build here. So I did buy the frame, the stem, and the dropper post, as well as the bottom bracket all together. In the front, WTB Rattlers 44. In the rear, a Maxxis Riddler, and this is a 40. The clearance is not all that great. I think 40 is about the widest that I can comfortably ride without fear of mud and other things getting stuck on the chainstay. These bars here are actually takeoffs from that Walmart bike. I picked up the seat here, the saddle. It is a Specialized Power, and I bought it for $40 off of OfferUp. I had this cassette for like 3 years already. I picked up used for $20. SRAM GX 12 speed. The wheels actually came off of a YT Scepter. They did come with an XDR free hub body, and so I needed to put a 1.8 millimeter spacer to be able to run an XD cassette. This is brand new, the GRX 40 tooth crank set here. 175 crank arms. I am running wheel tops, GEX Gravel derailleur. The reason why I decided to go with wheel top, it's because of its compatibility across just about every brand, which is electronic. So these are the paddles here and the hoods. I did run the EDS TX, which is the road version of their electronic shifting group set upgrade, I'm gonna say. I put 600 plus miles on it. I ran it on the Walmart bike. It did really well on road and off road, but the GEX is a lot smoother and a lot more quieter. Because it is intended for gravel, and it does have a clutch built in that you can adjust that tension right on the chain. The brakes are also hydraulic brakes. They are included in the package. It didn't come with rotors. I got 160 mil rotors there that I had also for quite some time. Roval carbon dropper post. It's a great bike. It's a size 54. I think the Walmart bike was like a 52, and so it felt a little small. One of the reasons why I decided to get rid of it. A few punchy climbs here. and actually now invest in a more suited for me, more capable gravel bike, which is my Specialized Crux. It's definitely not a dream build, but it's as capable as a dream build, at least in my opinion, and at least so far in the rides that I've done. It just got steep. So we're gonna inch our way to the top. Yeah, bike did okay on that climb. Being able to simply open the garage, hop on your bike, and head out for a ride that has a mixture of paved roads and gravel roads. And be out here for, you know, 3 to 5 hours, depending on how long of a ride you've got planned. It's pretty darn amazing. And I think it's what's got me hooked on gravel. The solitude, the workout, and not having to drive anywhere to ride. And get back home and feel accomplished. It's not about an adrenaline rush. It's more about a peaceful ride, a workout ride, and more than anything, you're still on a bike. Hey, thanks for hanging in there. If you're still watching, if you've not subscribed, subscribe now. Hit that like button if you enjoy the video. I will see you on the next one. Until then, ride your own ride, and God bless.
Yeah, 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 yeah. Yeah, 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 yeah.